Tressel, and I'd like to welcome you to today's webinar by Armanino McKenna, Nonprofit Gaming Activity, When and How to Report Gaming Winnings. First, I'd like to review with you how to use your webinar pane. You'll see the webinar pane in front of you. Please note that the orange arrow will allow you to minimize or maximize the pane. If it is minimized, simply click on the orange arrow to bring it back. Feel free to submit any questions that you have for our presenters throughout the duration of the webinar. Our presenters will handle questions at the end of the webinar as time permits. If not, they will send you an email response to your question post-webinar. Also, please note that all webinar participants will receive an email in the next 48 hours with a link for a copy of the webinar slides and a video of the recorded slideshow. Pardon me. To modify your audio settings, please note that if you are using your telephone to listen in on our webinar, please select the Use Telephone button. If you are listening in through your computer speakers, please select Use Mic and Speakers. If you have the incorrect settings selected, it will produce an echo sound. And now I'd like to introduce our presenters. First, we have Mary DeStassi, an accounting manager with Armanino McKenna. Mary received her accounting degree from Cal State Hayward. She has more than 23 years of experience in public accounting and is concentrated on the nonprofit industry. Mary's clients include the Diocese of Oakland and some of their related entities. We also have with us today Karen Thompson, a senior accountant. Karen received her accounting degree from Cal State Hayward as well. She has worked in the banking industry and for several small businesses. She joined Armanino McKenna in 2005, and she specializes in bookkeeping and monthly financial statement prep for clients in the nonprofit industry. And with that, I'm going to turn it over to Mary DeStassi.
Good morning, and thank you for joining us. We hope that you'll find this presentation useful with regards to your organization's fundraising efforts. It is important that you're aware of the IRS regulations in regards to this topic, so your organization will be in compliance with the law and not be subject to penalty. We will be reviewing the following on the slide: types of gaming activities, winning amounts that need to be reported, how to withhold taxes, and preparation of the needed forms like W-2G. And then we'll have time to answer some of your questions. Karen will continue with the presentation.
Good morning and welcome. There are several types of gaming activities that need to be reported to the IRS. These activities are raffles, bingo, slot machines, keno, poker tournaments, and other types such as instant bingo and pull tabs. Let's look at the winning amounts that need to be reported. The amounts to report depends on the activity. Winning amounts must be